to God will help. And this is a brand new start. So try it, my friend, just once and see. If your heart doesn't change, it's stay. Just say, are you listening God? And a commitment to Him you can